Welcome to This Explainer. Today, we're exploring exactly how modern kitchen hardware and some truly brilliant post-harvest biology are working together to elevate the food we eat every single day. If you love discovering the hidden mechanics behind your meals and secretly want to know why your avocados turn brown so incredibly fast, well, you are in exactly the right place.
So, let's dive right into a universal frustration. We have all at some point tossed out a batch of mushy, glued together, or totally scorched rice. I mean, it seems like the simplest task on earth, right? It's literally just a grain in water. Yet achieving that perfectly fluffy, distinct texture feels like walking a culinary tightrope. You're trying to perfectly balance steam, heat absorption, and time. Traditional cooking methods leave way too much of that to chance. But as it turns out, perfecting rice is actually a matter of precise physics and chemistry.
You see, while traditional stovetops heat indirectly and create these error-prone hot spots that scorch the bottom of your pot while leaving the top completely undercooked, modern induction and microcomputer technology change the game entirely. By using electromagnetism to instantly and evenly heat the entire pot, it's the difference between applying a blunt, unpredictable flame and utilizing a magnetic field to essentially turn the cookware itself into a highly precise, hyper-responsive heating element. Here is our roadmap for today's explainer. 1. The quest for perfect rice. 2. Mastering induction rice cooking. 3. Increasing iron with fruit. 4. Innovations in fruit preservation. And finally, 5. Unlocking fruit health benefits.
Section 1. The quest for perfect rice. We're starting right in the pantry with the challenge that engineers have successfully hacked.
So, induction heating, or IH, literally turns the pot itself into the heater, which allows for rapid, instant temperature adjustments. Meanwhile, microcomputers or MICOM chips actually think through the cooking process using what is known as fuzzy logic. Think of it like cruise control for your rice. Instead of just mindlessly boiling water on a simple on-off switch, the microcomputer continuously assesses the environment, the moisture, and the internal temperature. It makes real-time micro-adjustments to perfectly preserve the delicate aromatic compounds in your grains. It's a real game changer.
Section 2. Mastering induction rice cooking. Let's see how this technology builds a more efficient cooking process in your own kitchen.
What is truly fascinating here is the massive leap in efficiency. Studies show electric rice cookers actually reduce energy consumption by 23 to 57% compared to traditional methods. By heating the pot directly with magnetic currents, your actual stovetop remains relatively cool, and that drastically reduces heat loss into your surrounding kitchen. So you get a significantly better bowl of rice and use significantly less power to do it. It's an absolute win for both your palate and your power bill.
But the science goes even deeper than just heat. High-end rice cookers apply artificial pressure during the cooking cycle to fundamentally change the grain's chemical structure. This advanced pressure transforms rigid, hard-to-digest beta starches into soft, sticky alpha starches. It's kind of like untangling a tightly wound knot. You are essentially using intense, even heat and precise pressure to unlock a superior, easily digestible texture that traditional boiling in an open pot simply cannot achieve. Now, if you're doing this manually on a modern induction stovetop rather than in a dedicated cooker, the rules do change slightly. You always follow these standard steps, but never, and I mean absolutely never, skip the rinsing phase. Because induction heats so aggressively fast, unrinsed surface starches will instantly gelatinize, binding your grains into a solid block the second the heat hits them. Stripping away that excess starch ensures each grain can cook independently.
Also, when using an induction cooktop, the exact water-to-rice ratios are non-negotiable. Rapid heating means your long-grain white rice only takes 10 to 15 minutes from the moment it hits a boil. Notice the extreme precision required for different varieties. Basmati needs exactly 1.5 cups of water, while jasmine requires 1 3/4 cups. Because the heat transfer is just so immediate, your margin for error is razor thin, but the reward is a pot of perfectly separated hyper-aromatic grains.
Section 3. Increasing iron with fruit. Now that we've engineered the perfect base of grains, let's pivot to the fascinating post-harvest science of the fruits we pair them with. Okay, we all know the heartbreak of leaving an expensive avocado out on the counter for an hour only to watch it turn black and mushy. But guess what? That exact same browning enzyme, polyphenol oxidase, or PPO, can actually be utilized to unlock nutrients in other foods. While PPO completely destroys the aesthetic of your guacamole by rapidly oxidizing phenolic compounds, in a laboratory setting, scientists realize this exact chemical reaction is a surprisingly powerful tool for human nutrition.
Food scientists discovered that incubating high-tannin grains, like sorghum, with avocado or pear extracts dramatically increases the amount of iron your body can absorb from them. In many parts of the world, high-tannin sorghum is a dietary staple, but those tannins act like a brick wall, blocking iron absorption and causing severe nutrient deficiencies. By letting the fruit enzymes literally attack and break down those tannins in a controlled setting before the grain is even digested, science is practically hacking our food to solve a major nutritional roadblock. How cool is that?
Section 4. Innovations in fruit preservation. Beyond just unlocking nutrients, scientists are tackling the universal frustration of fruit spoilage. Instead of using harsh chemicals or traditional thermal canning, which, let's be honest, ruins the delicate fresh taste of fruits, scientists are getting highly creative with some incredible biological hacks. To stop a lychee from browning, they hit it with a massive 600 megapascals of extreme pressure. And for highly perishable strawberries, they are coating them in the gooey mucilage extracted from prickly pear cactuses. It acts as an invisible, fully edible suit of armor that keeps the fruit firm and drastically extends its shelf life without altering the flavor one bit.
Section 5. Unlocking fruit health benefits. For our final topic, we're looking at how extracting specific compounds from these resilient plants protects human health. Laboratory analysis of the black plum reveals a massive antioxidant capacity. Tests using radical scavenging assays prove that the skins are densely packed with powerful anthocyanins and tannins. You can really think of it as a rust-proofer for your cells. The vibrant skin is a dense chemical armory designed by nature to protect the fruit which, when consumed, actively scavenges harmful deteriorating radicals inside our own bodies, protecting our long-term cellular health.
It's absolutely wild to contrast the diverse sources of these biological interventions. Food scientists are utilizing the entire botanical world as a toolkit right now. A prickly pear cactus from the harsh, arid desert provides the physical armor needed to protect a fragile strawberry on a grocery store shelf, while an ancient Chinese mulberry provides the internal medicine needed to protect our cardiovascular system and keep our arteries clear.
And the clinical impact of these extractions is just astounding. Studies show that a simple mulberry water extract can repress the progression of severe atherosclerosis by up to 63%. In models involving highly atherogenic high-cholesterol diets, adding just a microscopic 0.5% or 1% of this extract actively prevented the oxidation of LDL cholesterol in the arterial walls. That is the incredible, targeted power of modern food science at work.
As we wrap up this explainer, it leaves us with a pretty provocative question. With induction electromagnetism perfecting our daily grains and edible desert cactus preserving our fragile berries, what other daily food frustrations is science about to solve in your kitchen? Our food system is becoming smarter, healthier, and incredibly fascinating. Keep looking closely at what is on your plate because there is always a brilliant scientific story hidden right inside. Thanks for joining us.